Welcome to our YouTube channel students, e-learning hub by Udgam Welfare Foundation. Students, in this video we are going to discuss another case study on definite integral, and if you have missed our previous video then you can watch that video so that it is going to help you a lot in learning concepts related to this particular chapter. And if you are a CBSE student or whether you are a ISC board student, then it is going to help you out as well, because I have designed these particular case studies for both type of students. So without wasting our time, we are now going to discuss our second case study on definite integral. So students, this is our case study number 2. Meera was preparing for her final board examination in mathematics. While solving problems from the chapter definite integral, she was particularly interested in problems that involved evaluating integrals using standard results like integration of x raised to the power n dx and sin x and cos x, etc., as well as understanding definite integral as the net area under the curve. Her teacher emphasized that the definite integral does not always represent the actual area, especially when the curve lies below the x-axis in parts of the interval. Meera used the following standard results repeatedly. Integration of x raised to the power n dx is equal to this, x raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x, and these are the properties, or you can say these are the standard results of the indefinite integral. She also learned to apply limits using the fundamental theorem, that is a to b fx dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. Now answer the following multiple choice questions based on Meera's problem solving journey. So that was the basic case study which we have discussed. This was our second case study. Now on the basis of this case study, we are going to discuss 5 MCQ questions as per the board standards. Now let's move forward and discuss our first problem on this case study. So student, this is our first question on this case study, 0 to pi cos x. As we know that the integration of cos x is sin x. So we can simply use sin x with upper limit pi and lower limit is 0. So sin pi minus of sin 0. So value of sin pi is 0 minus 0, which is 0. So our answer is 0 here. So option number A is the correct answer here. So students, this is our question number 2, which states our lower limit is 1, upper limit is 4x square. So integration of x square is x cube upon 3, upper limit is 4, lower limit is 1, so 4 cube upon 3 minus 1 cube upon 3. You can take 1 by 3 common here, and 4 cube is what? 4 4 64, 64 minus 1 is 63, so 63 upon 3. So 63 upon 3, whether we are getting the option? Yes, option number B is the correct answer here. So that was our question number 2. Now let's move towards question number 3 of this case study. So student, this is our question number 3 of this particular case study, that states fx equals to the function given is this. You have to find 0 to 2 fx dx. So let's integrate this particular function. So we are getting 3 into x cube upon 3 plus 2 into x square upon 2. Let's write it this way. Now we are getting these cancelled. So we are having only x cube plus x square. Now we can simply put our upper limit and lower limit here, which is 2 and 0. So obviously lower limit won't give you any constant values except 0. So x cube, that is 2 cube plus 2 square. So this is basically 8 plus 4, that is 12. So here is our correct answer. So we are getting our correct answer as A, that is 12. So I hope this is clear now. Now let's move towards question number 4. So students, it states, question number 4 states that using symmetry evaluate minus 3 to 3x cube. So what does it mean? We have a property which we have already discussed here, that is minus a to a fx dx equals to 0 when this function is odd. So x cube here is an odd function, so therefore the value of this particular function is 0. So we can say the value of this integral is 0 here. Very simple. I hope the concept is clear now, as we have already discussed this property before here as well. Now let's move towards question number 5. So student, this is our question number 5. We are discussing various properties by using these case studies. So it is going to help you out in revision of your concepts related to this particular chapter. So this is our question number 5. Which of the following is not a property of the definite integrals? A to a fx dx is 0. Correct. a to b fx dx is equal to a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx. This is also correct, but it should be further defined, like c will lie between a and b, sorry. C a to b fx dx is equal to b to a fx dx. This is a problematic. A to b fx dx is equal to minus b to a fx dx. So this is the correct answer. So a, b, d are the correct options. Which is following is not a property. So this is not the property. So option number C is our correct answer here. So students, that was the last question of this case study. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. And if you would like to do our online test, then I have already prepared the online test on various chapters related to grade 12. So if you would like to do our online tests, which are free of cost, are available on our website, which is udgamwelfarefoundation.com. Also, I am going to provide the link in the description box. That is going to help you a lot. So that was all in this particular video. We are going to meet in our next video with next case study on this chapter. Till then, goodbye and take care.